Hi, this is a screencast for Exteriormax showing what we do and how you can beat your competition online. So first of all, your website is SSL secured, which is great, but unfortunately, it's not ranking. So you would want to have a separate service page for each of these services and a location or area we serve page for each of the locations that you serve. So for example, if we look at the metrics of your site right now, you're not getting any traffic, and that's because the website is not being it's not being optimized to be found for people looking for your services. So for example, if we were to take a look at a competitor's site, such as, for example, Central Exteriors, we see that the power of their page is really high. They have a higher domain rating, and domain rating is gauges the power of the backlink profile, and the backlinks are simply links that other websites make to your website, uh, as well as referring domains. So referring domains are simply the domain of each of the backlinks. So there can be multiple backlinks from the same domain. We see that they are written, that the site is optimized for keywords, and all of these factors together make them get 212 visitors per month as opposed to 0. So in order to start ranking, you need to beat your competitors. And it's important to be on the first page of Google because 92% of all clicks are made on the first page of Google. So if you're not there, really all of that business is going to your competitors. In order to beat them, you would have to, first of all, optimize the site for right content around something called keywords. And keywords are simply queries that people type into Google. So when you write content around keywords, this will this will help your site to be found. For example, for roofing contractor Rockville, Maryland, we see that they're ranking 3rd. If for Rockville or Rockville Roofing, we see they're 3rd. Roofing company in Maryland, they're 9th. So they're on the first page for Roofing Rockville. Again, they're number 1. So we see that they are on the first page for a lot of keywords that people are searching for that is probably relevant to your services and the area you serve. So first of all, the content of the website has to be written around what's called keywords. And second of all, in order to beat them, we would get more, we would need to get more backlinks than them, but it's not only the number of backlinks, it's the quality of backlinks that's also important. So you would have to beat them out on the number and the quality of the backlinks. Not all backlinks are equal. You want ones from high domains, ones from high domain rating in industry relevant areas. And third of all, you would want to beat them out in citations. And citations is anytime the business name, phone number, and address is mentioned in a local business directory. So again, in order to beat your competitors online, you would have to first of all write content of your website around keyword search terms that people are actually searching for. Second of all, have more content than your competitors, have better and more quality backlinks than your competitors, and finally beat them out in citations, which is anytime your the name, the company name, address, and phone number is mentioned in a local business directory. So I hope that was all really useful. Feel free to pass it on to your current team managing your website. If not, feel free to reach out to us, and we'd be more than happy to get you ranking on the first page of Google so that you can be pulling in this type of organic traffic uh, and leads instead of your competitors. Well, I hope that was all really useful, and have a great day.